Pensacola to Destin, Florida, up to 20 nautical miles. The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Escambia County in northwestern Florida, Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 12 miles north of Baker to Pensacola to 12 miles south of Orange Beach, moving east at 50 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pensacola, Crestview, Fort Walton Beach, Niceville, Destin, Milton, Valparaiso, Mariester, Pace, Baghdad, Ferry Pass, Lake Lorraine, Myrtle Grove, Ensley, Wright, Brent, Bellevue, West Pensacola, Warrington, and Ocean City. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, if one is spotted, act inside a sturdy structure such as a basement or small interior room. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Escambia, Okaloosa, and Santa Rosa.